Customers are turning to skills to measure the strength and readiness of their workforce. However, looking at individual skills across employee profiles can be difficult and may not provide a clear picture of the competencies needed for a specific role or business unit. Organizations need to accurately define critical skills by audience, such as those that share a common position, division, or location. Capability models are groupings of skills for a specific organizational unit. They help employees understand the skills needed to qualify for a role. Talent managers use capability models to gauge employee readiness and strength of skills. When creating a capability model, administrators define its name and description. Determine the audience for the model by selecting one or more OUs, such as the positions or divisions that align to the model. The system suggests skills based on the model's name and description. Associate critical skills to the model by searching for capabilities or selecting them from the suggested list. Choose the skills that individuals should currently possess or those they should be developing. Along with defining skills, you can set optional proficiency targets for each one. Targets indicate the desired experience level for the skill. You can set the same targets for all selected OUs or different ones for different OUs. Because this model applies to the associate and supervisor positions, the first option applies the same proficiency targets to all employees in these positions. The second option shows a distinct set of sliders for each OU in the model to set specific targets for each audience. Use specific OUs to minimize the number of models for similar groups, such as different roles within a department team or grade levels within the same job role. If you need to make additional changes, save a draft model. Otherwise, publish the model if it's ready for use. Newly created models are added to the library. When proficiency targets are defined in a model, users in those OUs see a new critical skills section in their skills profile, along with current and target levels. Viewing critical skills allows them to track their progress for achieving proficiency over periods of time. To manage existing capability models, sort the list by name or modified date, or search for a specific model. Use filters to narrow down your results. You can modify existing models, publish those in a draft status, or deactivate any that are no longer needed. Use capability models to organize critical skills and start measuring the strength and readiness of your workforce.